What's up, everyone? It's Don from Ark Ramps. I'm going to start off like I do with all my ramps. I'm going to plane some lumber down and cut them into pieces to make the bases. Next, I usually trace out what I'm going to cut and take it to the bandsaw. It's time to clamp the bases together and let them sit for about 30 minutes. About 90% of the time I use these squeeze clamps that you see here, but there's certain times where there's an angle or certain ramps where the best clamp, believe it or not, is a dumbbell. The pressure from the dumbbell angles inward, so as you can see on the A mode ramp, the pressure angles inward and perfectly glues the two pieces together on the top. I found the dumbbells to be very useful for other ramps as well, for example the Spectrum ramp, which I'm putting together right now. I'm not gonna lie, this epoxy smells like absolute trash, but I've found it's the absolute best bonding agent for aluminum and wood. And yet again, another use for the dumbbells, just leaning them against the aluminum and letting it set for 30 minutes. I don't want you to think that I just use dumbbells for everything. 90% of the time I'm using the squeeze clamps that you saw before. And as you can see, I own well over 50 clamps. But the dumbbells are really nice for a few specialty needs I have for a few ramps. Oh, look who came to visit. What are you doing here?
Saying hello.
Oh.
Checking out the shop.
Episode 1.
Just hanging out.
He's here.